Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify whether the PyGame has been installed into your system or not. So, if you want to check, you need to use the VS Code. So, let's start. First, open your VS Code windows and then move on to the terminal. In the terminal, simply type in the following command. The command is pip show pygame. Once you have typed in the command, hit the enter button. And here you can see that it has returned me with the package name, its version, the summary as well as the location of the package where it is installed. So that means that the Pygame module is present inside your system. If that had not been the case, then it would have returned me with error or a module not found message. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.